On Wearside, Sunderland, Princess Elizabeth has christened and launched a new addition to the fleet of the Merchant Navy.
I name this ship British Princess. May God bless her and all who sail in her.
The British Princess is a 12,000-ton oil tanker, an urgently needed replacement for a company which lost 44 ships by enemy action. In a speech after the launching, Her Royal Highness paid tribute to the men of the tankers who knew their ships were the bullseye of every enemy attack. Happily, those days are over, and the tanker fleets are now being built up again. It was in November